On the right corner you will see the signal option. You can select your pair, and here you will see what is the market condition of the pair. Here you can change the time frame as well. Here you can see this tool is saying gold market is on sale. Hello traders. Today I am going to introduce you with a very good and high quality broker who giving 100% deposit bonus. Yes, they are giving 100% deposit bonus. Everything I will discuss about this broker, how good broker is this, and I also start trading with this broker. Here you can see on my screen FXGSS, which means Goldstone Securities. Trade 500 plus instruments globally. Trade forex indices, commodities, metals, shares and cryptos all from one account. That means you no need to open an account on other crypto exchange or separate forex brokers. You will get everything in one account here. Here you can see 200 plus stocks. Online features based CFDs are offered exclusively. Indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies. And if you check their about us page, you will get all the information about this broker and also their regulations and registered office address as well. I will show everything step by step. Stick to the video till the end. Here you can see they have dedicated support, segregated accounts, 500 plus installment, educational materials, 3 account types, free technical analysis, which is a very good and very effective option in this broker for a beginners to advanced traders. One platform, multiple device anywhere. You can trade on MT5. You can see their registration number and office address as well here. And the official brand name is Goldstone Securities Limited. They have some restricted countries you can see as well. You can check yourself. Already they featured in world leading medias like the Times, Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, Investing, etc. Let's check their account types now. Here you can see they have 3 types of account, which is standard, minimum deposit 100, based currencies are Euro, USD, GBP. Leverage up to 1:1000, minimum lot 0.01, 0 commission, swap free Islamic account option, personal account manager, spread from 1.2 pips, and at the pro you can check yourself. The spread is very tight and all the others is same. And the premier you can see the minimum deposit and base currencies are same, minimum lot size and the spread are 0 pips. This is the main difference. You can deposit via MasterCard, Visa card, USDT. So many deposit option available. I will show in the dashboard. Here you can see already they are showing here. And let's talk about the 100% bonus. You can get 100% bonus on your first deposit in any account. This opportunity is only for my subscribers who will register from my links. I will attach the registration link in my video description. Click on the registration link, complete the registration. After that, knock me on my Telegram. I will make your deposit double. Here you can see they have the bonus terms and condition, 100% deposit bonus. You can trade using this bonus and withdraw profit as much as you can. There is no restriction and all the terms and condition you can check yourself. And I am excited for this program of this broker, which is copy trading and PAMM. What is this? I will explain this in depth. You may know what is copy trading. Copy trading is one of the feature where you do not need to have your trading experience to make profits from trading. How it works? There have so many strategy providers in their broker. You just have to deposit in your account and click on the copy a profitable trader, and when they will place a trade on their strategy account, the trade will be placed in your account as well. And when they will book a profit in their strategy account, you will book profit in your account as well automatically. And the personal allocation money management account, something like same, but this is a more than that. How it works? Let's check. What is PAMM? The FXGSS PAMM service enables copy trade from master account to one or more follower accounts and automatize profit and loss distribution. Master operates a personal capital through a PAMM account and his or her trading strategy is replicated to the follower's capital. This type of trading ultimately means that the role of the follower is reduced to just providing the capital for trading on the account. The actual execution of trade is down to the master, who often trade according to their discretion within a set of border parameters outlined by the followers. In easy words, the PAMM is a master who manages big amount. If you invest on PAMM account, then you can make money on their trade, something like copy trade as well. Here is a simple definition. A broker, the investor, or also known as a follower. A fund manager, also known as a master. no forex training or knowledge is needed to trade. This can save a lot of time and effort depending upon your objectives and situation. Simple and hassle-free. Opening a PAMM account can be a simple and hassle-free way to engage in forex trading. Also, all the definition, if you are an experienced trader, you can also become a strategy provider or PAMM account master. Now let's check their dashboard, technical analysis and the trading tools and signals as well they are providing in their dashboard. Here you can see their dashboard. On the right corner you will see the signal option. You can select your pair and here you will see what is the market condition of the pair. Here you can change the time frame as well. Here you can see this tool is saying gold market is on sale. So let's check the trading view. What is exactly? Here you can see gold market is on sale really. So this tool is giving very good trading signal as well. In this tool they are using very good strategy. This is a very good tool to get trading signal directly from the dashboard. So which is a very effective and benefited for all the traders. Also you can see the trading tools here. You can get the marketing calendars, forex news and the currency heat map in the dashboard as well. So this is insane actually. I am getting all things that I need to trade in one dashboard. I really like this guy. Here you can see you can easily deposit by selecting your account. Once you register with this broker and verify your document, you will get a live account and you can deposit via your bank card or crypto as well. After that, you will get 100% deposit bonus. For that, go to my video description, click on the registration link, complete the registration, send me a message on Telegram that you registered and verified your account and funded in your account, and they will give you the 100% deposit bonus. Also, I will start providing trading signals on my Telegram channel. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel and I'm going to make a VIP trading signals group on Telegram. Who will register on this broker and make a minimum deposit, I will give them free access in my VIP signals group so they can make profit with me. If you get this video valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel for free forex signal, no deposit bonus, prop firm trading guidance and giveaways. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.